welcome to my channel. My name is Luisa. How are you? Today we're going to be doing a quick blue skies summer inspired makeup look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when to post next. Alrighty, let's begin. So for today's look, we'll be using two different makeup palettes. The first one is by Morphe and it's called Nature Glow 350. The first color that we'll be using is this light brown that you see here called Step Up. And we're going to be using a small fluffy brush to apply this all over the crease of our eyes. Just want to quickly jump in here and say welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for tuning in. Please, if you have any questions on this look, on any of the products that I used, or any other things that you would like me to respond to regarding beauty, then please do not hesitate to comment that down below in the comment section. And yeah, I'll be sure to respond. Alrighty, second step. So we're going to be using this slightly darker brown called Unreal, and we're going to grab another small rounded fluffy brush to apply this to the outer V or the outer corner of our eyes. Here you see me using the back part of one of my falsies eyelashes cases. Basically, I'm just using this to collect any fallout, should there be any. Again, I'm applying eyeshadow after I've already applied foundation, so that's why it's just helpful, and so I don't have to clean anything off after the fact. Something that I'm doing here as I apply this on is just blending both colors out. Again, Unreal and Step Up. Blending is key in any sort of makeup look. It's probably the most important step. Alrighty, so for the third color we're going to be using, I'm really excited about this, the On Cloud Blue eyeshadow palette by ColourPop. And we're going to be using the color right here called Bright Eyed. It's a soft sky blue. And we're going to be using a small flat brush to apply this all over from the inner corner of your eye to about a little more than halfway on your eyelid. Fourth step, probably my favorite, we're going to be using this color that you see here called Delight, basically Delight. And we're using another small flat brush. I'm using an even smaller one, honestly, just to have a bit more control over the glitter color. And we're applying this on top of where you placed Bright Eyed. Love, love, love how this is turning out. So last step is we're going to apply the same colors to the lower lash line, except one. You're going to apply the color Unreal to the last third of your lower lash line with the same brush, or if you have difficulty with bigger brushes, then please use a small flat brush and use the tip of the brush. After that, I quickly go in with Bright Eyed from the inner corner to right where I'm touching the brown color that we just placed. And then on top of that blue, of course, I'm going to do Delight yet again, using the same brushes that I used to apply on the lid. It's just I'm using the tip of the brush. Almost done. Last but not least, I want to apply a small light shimmer in the inner corner of the eye. So I'm using Blue Taffy from this same palette. And now you see me here using a really teeny tiny small brush, just again so that I can make sure I concentrate the color exactly where I want it to go. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, this is it with eyelashes, with eyebrows, with everything. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Do not forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.